Lowest common multiple, otherwise known as LCM, taught by Professor Marshall. What is a multiple? A multiple is when you're skip counting by any number and you have to say all the numbers from the number that you want to find the multiples of. What is lowest common multiple? Lowest common multiple is listing the multiples of one or more numbers and you're finding the lowest number they both share. You start by listing 4 or 5 multiples of the first number because if you go too far you might miss some multiples. You do the exact same thing for the second number. Example, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What's the first number they both share? If you think it's 15, you're correct. Step by step. Step 1. Write down your numbers that you're finding the lowest common multiple of. Step 2. List 4 or 5 multiples for both numbers. Step 3. Check if there is any common multiples. If there is, stop. Step 4. If there is no common multiples, keep listing. Step 5. Find the first number they both share and you have a lowest common multiple. Common mistakes people make. If you're finding multiples of 3 or more numbers, they have to all share the same number. Kids get factors and multiples mixed up. Some people miss some common multiples. People often mess up their skip counting. The solution to those mistakes. Remember, it has to be multiplying. Be extra careful when you're looking for multiples to not miss any. Take your time when you're skip counting because you don't want to miss any multiples. Make sure that all 3 or 4 numbers are sharing the same multiple, not just 2 or 3. Here's a word problem you could chip away at. Pause the video and then unpause it once you're done. So now you do 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, then 12, then it's 24, 48, 72, 96, 110. So now check. Is there any common multiples? Well, it doesn't really look like it. So we have to keep listing. So 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and it's 48, 56, 64, 72, and then 84. Wait, no, I mean 80. And then it's 134, 158, 182, and 206 and 206. So now check again. Is there any common multiples? There still isn't, so we keep listing. So 44, 48, we ran out of space. 132, we also ran out of space. 88, also ran out of space. And 230, and we also ran out of space. Now check. We do have a common multiple. So there's a 48 here. There's a 48 here. There's a 48 here. There's a 48 here. So now, how many days are in a month? There's 31. And what's our lowest common multiple? It's 48. So 48 minus 31 equals 17. So the next day, every clan will be where their clan shirt is November 17th. Here's a worksheet you can now chip away at. Pause the video, then unpause it, and I'll move it to the next part of the worksheet. Here are some resources that could help you with this topic. Wikipedia.org, Least Common Multiple, and Homeschool Math Factoring. Now for some math jokes. What do you call a number that just can't keep still? A Roman numeral. How do you stay warm in any room? Just huddle in the corner. It's always 90 degrees. Why are math books so darn depressing? They're literally filled with problems. Thank you for listening.